depending on your background and how you use your third eye or how you think of it, like if we're talking about chakras or if you're talking about, actually like seeing, like I love all those pictures of the eyes, right? That you have an eye on your forehead. Because I use it differently in what I do or what I help people do, like psychic ability training versus training in another modality, right? I was going to say religion, but it's not really a religious thing, but what do I want to say? The ritual of it. How can you tell if it's open? So one, I always go back to this. I'm known for like the person who all they do is talk about intention, but it's true. Like, what's your intention for it? Are you wondering if you're sensitive to it? Are you wondering if your chakra is fully open or if it's kind of closed, meaning that you're keeping stuff out? Because some of it can be symbolic, right? It could be the saying open or closed, or hearing if you ask your higher self, if you ask your subconscious mind, if it's open or closed. That could be a way for you to tell if you're open to new information, if you're open to getting that psychic hit at the moment, or if you're trying to see things from another perspective or another dimension. That would matter, like how open you are to it. So I would say the best way to figure out if your third eye is open or any of your chakras, right, would be when you sit down and close your eyes. If you're a meditator, great. If not, you can still do it and just close your eyes and just sit as quietly as you can and see what you see. Like, you may get a feeling, you may get a picture, you may get a knowing, you may hear it in your head. And imagine, just go into your third eye. And one of the things that you can do is you can look up. And the great way to know if you're, trailing off or trailing here, trailing there, how trained your mind is your eyes are connected to your brain. So if you're looking up at your third eye and you start thinking, your eyes will move. So if you're not sure if you're doing whatever you're doing right, then use that technique, because you can tell right away if your eyes move, right? You can feel them move. Where it may not be that you'd be able to tell other ways because it's such a slight shift. So I would say go into your mind and focus on your third eye. So turn your eyes upward, do it softly, like don't give yourself a headache, and don't do it for a super long time because, that would be any fun. And see what you see. What do you feel? What do you sense? What do you see? What is your perception when you're doing that?